Okay, we're now going to look at a mixture of trinomials. So the title is going to be a mixture. So we've looked at examples with a plus and a plus and a minus, a plus and a minus and a minus. We're now going to just look at a bunch together. Okay, so example 1, x squared plus 13x plus 30. Two numbers that multiply give 30, add together give 13, that's 10 and 3. X plus 10 bracket x plus 3, example 2. X squared plus 6x minus 27. Okay, this time the product, as we can see, is negative, so that comes from the signs being different, so it needs to be a plus and a minus. Okay, then factors of 27, 1, 27, 3, 9. So it's two numbers that multiply give minus 27, add together to give 6. So again, the product is negative, so the signs need to be different, plus and a minus. And we need to add together to give 6. So between 1 and 27, okay, I'm not going to have much success there, but I can definitely use 3 and 9. So I need to organise 3 and 9. So that it adds together to give 6, that will be plus 9 and minus 3. X plus 9, x minus 3. Okay, example 3, x squared plus 4x minus 32. Okay, so the product is negative. That's the result of multiplying is negative, so that can only happen when signs are different. Okay, I then think about my factors of 32. So 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 4 times 8. And I need to organise that so that adds to 4, and that will be plus 8 and minus 4. 8 times minus 4 is minus 32, and 8 minus 4 is 4. X plus 8, x minus 4, example 4. G squared minus 6g minus 40. Okay, so the product is negative, so again the signs need to be different. Okay, so it's two numbers that multiply give minus 40 and add together give minus 6. So 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, 5 times 8. So I need to find the pair which will add together give minus 6. So I won't get success from 1 and 40. I can't organise that to get minus 6. Neither 2 and 20 or 5 and 8. But I can definitely make progress with 4 and 10. So that's going to be y plus 4, g plus 4 rather, g minus 10. 4 times minus 10 is minus 40, and 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Okay, example 5. Let's go for t squared minus 7t minus 18. Okay, the product is negative. The signs will be different. Okay, for two numbers that multiply together to give 18, so 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Okay, so that would need to be 2 and 9, so they need to add together to give minus 7. So would it be 9 minus 2? No, that's 7. It would be 2 minus 9. So it's plus 2 and minus 9. T plus 2, t minus 9. Example 6. M squared minus 10m plus 21. Okay, the product is positive. The result of multiplying is positive. Now that comes from the signs being the same. So that could either be 2 pluses or 2 minuses. However, the two numbers need to add together to give minus 10. So it wouldn't be 2 pluses, it would need to be 2 minuses. Okay. So for 21, 1, 21 and 3 times 7. So it's going to be m minus 3, m minus 7. Minus 3 times minus 7 is plus 21, and minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10, example 7. Okay, q squared minus 14q plus 45. The product is positive, the signs need to be the same. 2 pluses are 2 minuses, but there's a minus in the middle, so it would need to be 2 minuses. Okay, and then two numbers that multiply together give 45, and it needs to add together of minus 14, so 1 and 45, or 5 and 9. So 145 I'm not going to be successful, but I can definitely use 5 and 9. So that would be q minus 5, q minus 9. Minus 5 times minus 9 is plus 45, and minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14. Example 8. G squared minus 7g plus 12. Okay, the product is positive. The signs would need to be the same, but they would need to be negatives because it's a minus in the middle. So it's going to be g minus and g minus. Okay, numbers that multiply give 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Which one of those pairs can I use to add together to give minus 7? We'll look at this one, g minus 3, g minus 4. Okay, let's just up the pace and look at a few then. We have different signs, g squared plus 10g plus 25. Okay, two numbers that multiply give 25, add together give 10, is 5 and 5. That's g plus 5 and g plus 5. Example 10. T squared minus 5t minus 24. Okay, the product is negative, so the signs would need to be different. Okay, two numbers that multiply give for 24. So my pairs are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. So we need to add together to give minus 5. So the pair that's going to work there is going to be 3 and 8. And we need to add together to give minus 5. So that will be t plus 3, t minus 8. Example 11. P squared plus p minus 12. Okay, the product is negative. The signs need to be different. Okay, so I'm looking for two numbers that multiply give minus 12 and add together to give, well, it's definitely 1 that's in front of there. So two numbers that multiply give minus 12 and add together to give 1. So let's look at my pairs. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So which one of these can I use to add together to give 1? And it's going to be 3 and 4, so that's going to be p plus 4, p minus 3. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, example 12. C squared minus 9c plus 20. Okay, the product is negative, that's the result of multiplying is positive rather, so the signs need to be the same. 2 pluses are 2 negatives, but it needs to be 2 negatives. Okay, and then my pairs for 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. So which one of these can I use to organise to get minus 9 in the middle? And that's going to be 4 and 5, c minus 4, c minus 5.